Pack your bags and grab your toothbrush, because we are flying to Cebu Island to go swimming with whale sharks. Come with me on this once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Hey adventurers! Today we're embarking on a journey to the heart of the Philippines, to the serene town of Oslob in Cebu, where we'll get up close and personal with the gentle giants of the sea, the whale sharks. If you're seeking thrill, connection with nature, and a story to tell, you're in the right place. We are going swimming with the giants. The first stop is Cebu City. Grab your bags because we are driving south through the beautiful island of Cebu to the seaside town of Oslob. Cebu City, known as the Queen City of the South, is a pulsating hub of cultural heritage, bustling modernity, and breathtaking natural beauty, all wrapped into one. Whether you're exploring its historical streets, indulging in the local cuisine, or venturing into its natural wonders, Cebu City promises an adventure that will leave you wanting more. Driving from Cebu City to Oslob is a journey that will take you through a tapestry of landscapes and experiences, each more captivating than the last. As you depart the bustling metropolis of Cebu City, the urban landscape gradually gives way to the serene beauty of the Philippine countryside. Initially, the road hugs the coastline, offering panoramic views of the shimmering waters of the Cebu Strait. You might glimpse fishermen in their small boats, casting nets in the early morning light, a scene as timeless as it is picturesque. The sea stretches endlessly to the horizon, its surface occasionally broken by the passage of larger vessels or the playful leaps of dolphins. The route then meanders through small towns and villages, each with its own character and charm. Here, life moves at a more leisurely pace. You'll see children playing in the streets, vendors selling fresh fruits and snacks by the roadside, and locals going about their daily routines. These communities are a mix of traditional houses and more modern structures, reflecting the blend of history and progress that characterizes the Philippines. Oslob, a captivating gem tucked away in the southeastern coast of Cebu Island, Philippines, beckons adventurers with its pristine waters and extraordinary wildlife encounters. Imagine diving into the azure sea to swim alongside the gentle giants of the ocean, the whale sharks, in an experience that promises to leave you awestruck. Beyond the thrill of these gentle behemoths, Oslob whispers tales of history through the ancient walls of its Spanish-era cuartel and the solemn beauty of the Tumalog Falls. Each corner of Oslob is a blend of adrenaline and serenity, inviting you to discover its secrets and marvels. It's not just a destination, it's an adventure waiting to unfold. Oslob has gained fame for offering one of the most ethereal wildlife interactions you can experience: swimming with whale sharks. These gentle giants are the largest fish in the sea, and yet they're known for their docile nature, feeding mainly on plankton. But before we dive into the crystal clear waters, let's talk about how you can make this dream a reality. Planning your trip is easy. You can book your whale shark swimming experience through the link in the video description or through local resorts in Oslob. It's highly recommended to book in advance, especially during peak season from December to May. Getting to Oslob is part of the adventure. If you're coming from Cebu City, you can take a bus or rent a car for a scenic 3 to 4 hour drive down the coast. The journey is as mesmerizing as the destination, with views that'll have you pinching yourself to believe they're real. Packing right is key to enjoying your adventure. Make sure to bring sunscreen, but remember, only reef-safe sunscreen is allowed to protect the marine life. A good underwater camera or waterproof phone case, because you'll want to capture every moment. Snorkeling gear, though you can rent some on site. And last but not least, your sense of wonder. Once you arrive, you'll be briefed by the local guides. They'll share everything you need to know about interacting with the whale sharks in a way that's safe for both you and these magnificent creatures. Then, it's time to get into the water. You'll be snorkeling alongside these majestic beings, observing them in their natural habitat. It's an experience that connects you deeply with the wonders of the ocean. To ensure the safety and well-being of the whale sharks, there are important rules to follow. Keep a respectful distance of at least 4 meters from the whale sharks. Don't touch them. Their skin is covered in a protective mucus layer that can be damaged. No flash photography. We want to keep their environment as stress-free as possible. And follow your guide's instructions at all times. Swimming with whale sharks in Oslob is more than an adventure. It's a privilege. It's a chance to witness the majesty of nature up close and to carry home memories that will last a lifetime. Join me with our video diary as we embark on an ethical wildlife tour that promises vibrant marine wildlife interactions, snorkeling, scuba diving, and a profound respect for marine conservation. Let's make a splash in the world of adventure travel. Oslob has become a beacon for those passionate about ocean life and those craving intimate wildlife interaction. It's not just the whale sharks that draw people from across the globe. The surrounding coral reefs, teeming with marine wildlife, set the stage for an extraordinary underwater photography opportunity. Whether you're snorkeling or scuba diving, the clear waters of the Philippines promise an unparalleled encounter with nature. And the adventure doesn't stop underwater. Nearby marvels like Tumalog Falls and Sumalan Island offer a lush, picturesque backdrop to this eco-adventure, highlighting the importance of marine conservation and sustainable tourism in preserving these natural wonders. Embarking on this adventure is a dive into the principles of ecotourism. Booking your swim with the whale sharks means contributing to the local efforts of marine conservation, ensuring that future generations can also enjoy these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Oslob offers much more than just an encounter with these gentle giants of the sea. Beyond whale sharks, Oslob boasts a rich historical and cultural heritage, stunning natural landscapes, and other fascinating attractions that make it a worthwhile destination for any traveler. One of Oslob's notable historical landmarks is the Cuartel, an unfinished coral stone barracks that dates back to the Spanish colonial era. It was intended to house Spanish soldiers and serves as a reminder of the Philippines' colonial past. The structure's coral stone walls stand majestically, offering a glimpse into the architectural practices during that period. Another significant historical site is the Immaculate Conception Church, also known as Oslob Church. This beautiful church, built in the 19th century, features ancient architecture and is adjacent to the ruins of an old Spanish watchtower used to warn against pirate invasions. The church and its surrounding structures provide insight into the town's religious and historical significance. For nature lovers, Oslob does not disappoint. Tumalog Falls is a breathtaking waterfall located a short distance from the town center. The falls cascade gently over a wide, mossy cliff into a turquoise pool below. The natural beauty and serene atmosphere of Tumalog Falls make it a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection. Sumalan Island is another gem in Oslob's crown. This small but stunning island off the coast is known for its crystal clear waters, vibrant marine life, and pristine white sand beaches. It's a popular spot for snorkeling, diving, and simply enjoying the sun and sea. The island also features a sandbar that changes shape and direction depending on the season. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable journey. If you're as thrilled about this experience as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share this video with friends who dream of swimming with the giants. Until next time, Keep exploring and respect our beautiful planet. Your adventure is not over. Check out these other amazing travel videos.